So hey y'all, I am back with another video. It's gonna be a hair video today. As you can see, all these daggone FLEXI rods in my head. It took me way too long to put these in, and I did not sleep good at all because they're so uncomfortable to sleep in. But anyway, I'm back. I haven't posted anything in 2 weeks. I didn't do my Big Friday video last week. Nothing, and I'm so sorry, y'all. Life came for your girl last week. Okay, I did my best. I had my smile, you know. I got my mind right. Anywho, I used this product, y'all, and I stumbled across it in my mom's closet. For all the daughters out there, I know y'all know, you going through your mama's stuff and be like, and so that's what I was doing last night. I just used one product, that foam wrap, and I'll put it in the description below what kind of foam wrap it was and everything. And it's funny because my mom, it's the foam wrap she used to use when she was relaxed. So she's been natural for a little over a year, and before that, like she had a pixie cut, so she would use this foam wrap to lay down her cut, do her finger waves, mold her hair and all that stuff. And here I am using it on my natural hair, and honey, it worked, okay? And it was just bomb. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, but first, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Share this video and leave me a comment, sis, okay? Like, let's talk. Anyway, if you want to see these results, just keep on watching.
I don't know if you can take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Spinning in his legs like he gets like a whistle on the brown.
So, I don't know how many FLEXI rods I have in my hair. I was supposed to count so that I can, tell y'all, but I lost count because it took me too long to do these. Ooh. Oh, and let me know how y'all like this natural lighting. Like, I'm just sitting in front of my window and it's natural light coming through. Like, it's coming through for you, girl. But anyway, I'll probably speed this process up because it might take me a while.
First, let me how about them? Beat the beach up, yup. Yup. On that beat. Yup.
I know it breaks my heart. Move to the city and I roll down crying. Boy, it's no cost, and I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't.
So all people in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford, like that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't advocating.
Alright, y'all, so I got them all out. It's nice and fluffy. Thank God they're all dry. I'm just gonna separate them now. Put my Jamaican White castor oil, rub that in. Kind of run it through my hair. How springy these are. Remind me of Shirley Temple curls. Ooh, it's so soft, y'all. Like, that foam wrap is the truth. This is blue. I think it's called Nairobi. I'm gonna link it in the description, and I might insert a picture on the screen somewhere up in here or something. But yes, I believe it's called Nairobi foam wrap. Girl, it's so good. Some good stuff. Did my hair right. My hair isn't crunchy. My hair is nice and soft. It's fluffy. It's really bouncy. and I don't see any flaking, like my hair, my scalp isn't itchy or anything like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna separate. I'm gonna speed through this part as well. So as y'all can see, they are all separated. This is what my hair is looking like. It's very fluffy, very bouncy. They're, you know, they're tight right now, but as the days go by, the curls will fall. And yeah, you can go ahead and style it however you would like. I'm not sure how I'm gonna style it. Not really going anywhere, but yeah. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find some pieces throughout the day that I forgot to separate, and so what I'm gonna do like now is just go ahead and separate them. But yes, y'all, these are the results of my FLEXI Rise set. My hair, I did this on wet hair, and I used the foam wrap to set the hair, and I used 48 of the yellow FLEXI rods, and I used 25 of the red FLEXI rods. That's a total of what? 48, 25, yeah, that's a total of 73 FLEXI rods. So I used 73 FLEXI rods and FLEXI. So I used 73 FLEXI rods in my hair to achieve this style. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and leave me feedback. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys don't want to see, and everything in between. So that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Wow, 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 wow. When I'm with you,